Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this look for mermaid theme or sea theme or maybe mythical creature theme in Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay guys, this is for the look and I'm going to show you the items I'm wearing to create this look. Okay, first of all guys, you can wear this mermaid set and you're going to color it with this green color. This is for the color code, you can copy mine. And for the hairstyle, you can choose to hairstyle and then you're going to color it green. And for the face, you can choose this one. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the dressing room and we're going to choose this dress. Wait, this one. Make sure you have purchased this dress and you're going to change the toggle to skirt and just apply the green color, the same green color I applied before. Okay, and then I'm going to choose crown from the codes item as well. This one guys, and you're going to change the toggle to 2 and change the color. But wait, let me just put on this necklace as well and also this X, but I'm just going to remove the X. Okay, so it will be like this, and then I'm going to wear crown from the style showdown. Make sure you have won this crown. Okay, and let me just match the color. Okay, the next one, you're going to choose this necklace and you're going to color it with the same color. Just color it green like this for all the selection. Okay, and this is the result. And then I'm going to go to the skirt area. Wait, it's right here. And I'm going to choose the skirt and color it with the same color. And then I'm going to change the pattern to glitter. Sorry guys, my glitter sometimes it's not working, but if the glitter appear, it will be so beautiful. Okay, then you're going to put on this accessory, color it green, and then we're going to wear item from the world culture update. So you can enter this culture clothing area, and then we're going to wear this item from the India. Oops, sorry, I clicked the wrong item guys. This is not what I mean. We're just gonna click this item, okay, and color it with this color. Okay, and then the next one we're going to go to this area. Okay, we're going to wear items from the Valentine's update, this one and also this necklace, and then I'm going to color it with the same green color. Okay guys, and this is the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to create this outfit in Dress to Impress without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.